Hello everyone and welcome friends to this video. Today friends I will show you how to connect Make with Instagram, make.com. Log in your account guys, click on the scenario here. From here click create your first scenario, click browse template, this option. And then guys wait to loading this page. As you can see here guys on the screen, you have this template, you have Notions and Facebook, and just from here choose the Instagram option, scroll down, you see Instagram, for example this Instagram, search for Instagram, this one guys, Instagram, click this one and then click on start get set up and then create a connection and then log in on my account connection. Then you will redirect to Instagram account and then authorize your account easily. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Keep watching.